fucking focus thing. Wish there's a way we could automatically focus. Oh, I mean, what do you call it? Manually focus. Because automatic shit don't work. Anyway. People don't believe there's a God. I think eyeballs were just created by chance. Look how fast the eyeball can focus. Look how long it takes this camera to focus. That's modern technology. Anyways, I got this left over. It was not used for a project. And I was just practicing my weathering. I dented it up a little bit with my cigarette lighter. You guys got any ideas for what I can use it for? I was thinking of making a little trailer. People, my uncle had one for rock picking. You throw the rocks in there and from the field, pull it behind the tractor to the field. We'd walk along, pick rocks, and throw them in, and then throw them along the lane fence and walk along. I don't know.